Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pctech. This is the first video in a series about Excel practice. We share you some Excel file with requests and also share you how to find result. But you should do it by yourself. After finish file, you can watch the video to compare result and process calculation. In the first video, I will share you one file with request to find sum with multiply criteria. I will use Sumifs or Sumproduct to find result. First of all, you download file in the description below. You have a Excel file like this. Now we have to find total quantity for each product cost that correspond customer. First, I will use Sumifs to show it in cell L2. You type Sumifs, open parenthesis, sum rank. We will sum in column quantity, sum rank from E2 to ES, because you will apply for other cell by column, so you have to lock this rank by press F4, comma, criteria rank 1. First criteria rank 1 is customer cost. You highlight this rank from A2 to AS. You also need to lock this rank, comma, criteria 1 correspond customer cost, comma, let's criteria rank 2 is customer name. Press F4 to lock this rank. Criteria 2 correspond customer name, comma, criteria rank 2 is location cost. Press F4 to lock this rank, comma, criteria 3 location cost. Place the criteria rank 4 is product name cost. Lock this rank, comma, criteria 4 product name, close parenthesis, enter. You drop down to apply to other cell by column. As you can see, we have a result. This quantity we need to find this product code that correspond customer. Now I use some product formula to find total quantity. Equal sign, some product, open parenthesis, you open more parenthesis. Array 1 is customer cost from A2 to AS. You need to lock this array by press F4, equal S2. We will find value S2 in this array, close parenthesis for array 1, because all values list in the line to make a result happen. So we need multiply with all conditional. You open parenthesis, array 2 B2 to PS, press 4 to lock, equal E2, close parenthesis, multiply, open parenthesis, location cost, C2 to CS, lock this array, equal C2, close parenthesis, multiply, open parenthesis, C2 to DS, lock this array, equal K2, close parenthesis, comma. We already done conditional. Now we will sum quantity in this area, E2 to ES, lock this area, close parenthesis, enter. Drop down to apply for other cell by column. And you can see we have the same result with Sumifs formula. Actually, this file easily, I think many people can handle it quickly. I already showed you how to find total quantity for each product cost that correspond customer with Sumifs or Sumproduct. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.